Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to see the block list of your people in your account of TikTok. These accounts are mute in your TikTok account for your TikTok account. So if you want to see that list, you need to go to TikTok first, and after that, here in your feed, you need to go to the option of your profile here, and now you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. In this point, you need to pick here in this option, and you got a panel. So you got three options in this panel: is creator tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. So you pick in settings and privacy, and after that you need to go to the second option in this part where set privacy. So you pick in privacy, and after that you need to go down to the last option where set blocked account. So you pick in blocked accounts, and here like you see, I don't have blocked accounts, but this is the list of the people here, the people what